When you're building an estimate, it's not always obvious which line item fits the scope of work you're trying to capture. That's where XactAI comes in. An AI assistant built directly into Xactimate to help suggest line items when you're unsure. On the right side of the screen, where you are used to seeing the XactXpert tool, there is a new option for XactAI. It should start out automatically opened in your estimates, but if not, you can easily open it by clicking on its icon. The icon for this tool is a box with 3 stars in it. From here, you can enter a text prompt describing the scope of work. XactAI shows you examples of how you can enter in these prompts. Enter in your prompt. XactAI will take a moment to process your request, then return the top 3 most commonly used items related to your prompt. For example, let's ask about baseboards. If the first set of suggestions isn't quite what you're looking for, you can refine your prompt, like specifying the size or type of baseboard to narrow the results. Once you see an item that fits, click Add Item to the right of the suggestion. This opens a pop-up showing all of the rooms in your project. If you're working with a larger estimate, you can use the search bar to quickly locate a room. Simply start typing the room name, and the list will filter automatically. Select one or multiple rooms and click Apply. The line item is then added to each selected room. You can also click on a suggested item's name to review the full line item details before adding it. After each response, you'll also see an option to give a thumbs up or thumbs down, letting XactAI know how well it did in finding the items you needed. XactAI is conversational. This means that it remembers context from the previous prompts, and you can ask follow-up questions. Whether you're a seasoned pro who knows your line items or just starting out, XactAI can help in those tricky situations where you're not quite sure which item to use. It's a faster, more intuitive way to keep your estimate moving. Want to learn more? Check out the Xactimate classroom for more training material on all things Xactimate.